Hey guys, Tucker with Sylvane here, and today we're going to be talking about the industry's only vertical whole house dehumidifier, the Santa Fe Ultra120V. At just 27 inches wide, 44 inches high, and 19 inches deep, this whole house dehumidifier features a smaller footprint than other models. This makes it perfect for basements, mechanical rooms, and large attics where floor space is very limited. It ties directly into your HVAC system and removes up to 124 pints of moisture per day. This provides fresh, comfortable air to homes up to 3,000 square feet. It's engineered and assembled in the USA and comes with an impressive 6-year warranty. Plus, every Santa Fe Ultra Series dehumidifier exceeds Department of Energy standards. Optional fresh outdoor air can be ducted to the unit, providing fresh air to dilute indoor pollutants and maintain high oxygen content in the air. It also comes with a MERV 13 filter for capturing allergens and particles and keeping the unit running at peak efficiency. This filter should be replaced every 3 months or as needed. Keep in mind, this dehumidifier should only be installed by a professional contractor. You may also want to consult your contractor before buying accessories for custom installation. You do need to purchase a remote humidistat controller to operate this unit. Santa Fe has a few options available. All of these controllers are wired directly to your dehumidifier through a terminal block. Choose the Santa Fe Ultra120V if you have a home that requires powerful dehumidification from a unit with upright housing. Still have questions? Call or email our friendly product experts and we'll be happy to help you choose the right dehumidifier for your space.